If you run apps or services on Red Hat Enterprise Linux and face tricky issues that are hard to pin down, this is the place for real solutions. I'm Prince. I have spent over 15 years building and managing enterprise infrastructure, container orchestration, security, and automation, mostly on Red Hat Enterprise technology stack. Here, I share proven fixes to real problems from actual production environments. No fluff, no theory, just actionable steps that work. The topic for today is Rsyslog not receiving remote logs via TCP on RHEL 7. By default, Rsyslog's imtcp module uses octet-counting framing to parse TCP logs. If the sending system does not prefix messages with their length, or if newline delimiters are used inconsistently, Rsyslog may fail to detect message boundaries. This causes log data to be misinterpreted, merged, or discarded entirely. Unlike UDP, TCP streams data continuously. Without proper framing alignment between sender and receiver, logs get corrupted. Here are some resolution options. Choose your fix. You can either upgrade or choose to configure the framing. Option 1 would be to upgrade Rsyslog. Upgrade to Rsyslog as mentioned here or a later version. This version includes improved TCP framing handling. Option 2 would be to configure explicit framing. If upgrading is not feasible, configure imtcp to match your sender's framing method. For stability, create a dedicated file as mentioned on the screen. Use framing octet count if your senders use RFC 5425. For newline delimited logs, such as legacy devices, use framing equals delimited and ensure messages end with N. Here are the detailed commands to fix the issue at hand. Check the current Rsyslog version. Update to the latest version. RHEL 7.9 Plus is recommended. Choose to reload instead of restart to avoid downtime. Verify the service status. Open TCP port in the firewall. If SELinux is enforcing, allow the port script as mentioned on the screen. Here is a valuable troubleshooting checklist which are comprised of common fixes for Rsyslog TCP issues. Step 1. Confirm sender framing. Ensure senders align with imtcp's framing method. Step 2. Test connectivity. Step 3. Validate the config, making sure to check for syntax error. Step 4. Review the logs. In summary, the Rsyslog TCP log reception fails due to framing mismatches. The best way to fix this is to upgrade or buy the explicit framing config. Thank you for following along and watching this video. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and share this video with your team. If you work with Enterprise Linux, consider subscribing for more real-world solutions.